Hello there, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to identify empty Microsoft Teams. This will help you manage your teams effortlessly. We will dive into the demo after this short intro. Identifying and managing these inactive teams, you can streamline your collaboration efforts, ensuring your resources are well organized and enhance productivity across your organization. First, I will show you how you can download list of Keapoint sites which have teams which contains 0 documents. So I'm on office.com. From here I will navigate to admin center. So I will click on admin and then I will click on show all, and then I need to navigate to Keapoint admin center. From here I can click on the active sites. Make sure in this view you have selected all sites. Now this gives us list of all Keapoint sites and then the sites which are connected with Teams. So you can filter it by connected to Microsoft Teams. So this will give you all the sites which are connected to Microsoft Teams. And then on the right hand side, you can see how many files each site contains. So number of files are here. So we can see clearly there are 2 sites which have 0 documents. So those 2 sites are Max Team and Project C2. Both of these sites have 0 files. So let's download this list. If I click on export, all the sites which are connected to Teams are downloaded in this CSV file. So I will click on show in folder. I will right click and copy this CSV file. I navigate to a folder in my local directory which contains the PowerShell script which I need to run. I will paste the CSV file here. So let's rename this CSV file. So if I right click and click on this rename icon, I will just call it sites list. Let's look into this sites list CSV file. Okay, so in this CSV file, first thing we need to do is we need to change this header, which is site name. It has quotation marks, so I will control A, select everything, delete, and just rename it to site name. And I will click on save because our script use site name as a header. Next, you can filter out only the sites which have 0 documents, and then we can check if the Microsoft Teams have any conversation in those sites or not. So if there's no conversation and there are no document hosted on these teams, then we can delete those team sites, because every team have a Keapoint site which hosts the files. And we can further check with the script that if there's any communication or conversation happen in these team channel, then we can keep them, otherwise we can delete those teams. For this testing purpose, I will leave all the sites in there and I will click on save and close the CSV file. Now let's look at this find empty team script. Okay, so first thing this script does is reads the CSV file which we have just downloaded from Keapoint admin center. It will go through each row in that CSV file. First thing it will check if the site is connected to Microsoft Teams, because we have already filtered in Keapoint admin center before we download only the sites which are connected to Teams. So this will be true for every site we have in our list. Next, it will connect to that site and then it will grab all the channels from that site. And then for each channel, it will check if there's any communication or conversation happen in that channel. If there is no communication in any of the channel inside Microsoft Teams, it will flag that team chat column to no. Otherwise, it will flag that team chat column to yes, that there is some conversation in that team. So we should not delete those team sites. And then we output that object in a CSV format into this file. So when you download this script, you will change the path to your input CSV and change the path to your output CSV as well. I've put a link in the description below where you can download this script. Let's run this script. Make sure you have PNP PowerShell module is installed and you are using PowerShell version 7 or above. So I've navigated to that folder where we have the script, and then I will just run that script. I will click enter. It is started connecting to each one of the sites, and then it will collect the information if any of the teams channel in that site have any conversation or communication in there or not. Okay, so the script have gone through all the site in that CSV file to determine if there are any channels which have communication in them. So if I go back to that folder, so our output file location was the same folder and this is the team's output list. If I open this, So we can see there are some sites which have Teams chat yes, and some sites have empty Teams channel. So for example, London team and Max team does not have any conversation in the Teams channel. So to prove that, I will open Microsoft Teams. Alright, so if I go to London's team, it only have general channel. If I click on the channel, there is no conversation in this channel. And same for the Max team, if I click on the general channel, there is no conversation or communication happens in this channel. And now if I look at something which is say yes, for example, the team chat exists in the Epic team channel. If I go to Epic team and under general channel, I can see some communication, and under the work area there isn't any communication. So at least there's one channel which have the communication inside that team, so it set that value to yes. I've added this link in the video description below where you can get the full script, and I have also given a step-by-step breakdown of the script to make sure that you understand the script before running it. I hope now you understand how easily you can identify empty Microsoft Teams, and then you can take appropriate actions. Thank you for watching this video. Consider subscribing if you're new to the channel by pressing the red subscribe button below this video and click the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos as I upload new videos every week. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. If you have any question regarding this topic or any other query related to Microsoft 365 technologies, put them in the comment section below. I review the comments on a daily basis. I'll be happy to answer your questions. Thank you.